Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata guys. If you have a Hyundai Sonata, you have engine light on and you have any of the following two codes. I'm talking about code P2270 or code P2271. Stay with us, we will explain what most likely causes that, how to fix it, what tools to use if you need to actually guys replace that sensor, how to test the sensor, and we'll also explain which diagnostics we use here at the garage, because many of you guys constantly ask that information in the comment section below. So all that will be covered in this video today. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also, let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. Everything will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So this specifically right here guys, it's a 2013 Hyundai Sonata that we'll demonstrate on. But even if you have a different year, the video may be helpful. So we'll go ahead and remove that upper engine cover. Okay, perfect. It attaches just to 4 bushings right here. You have the intake manifold usually on the front side of your Hyundai Sonata engine. Even if you have a different engine, it will be very similar. On the back side you have the exhaust manifold. It will be super hot, never work on it unless you let it sit overnight guys. This sensor right here that we have halfway removed, this is known as upstream oxygen sensor or bank 1 oxygen sensor 1 guys. This is a super important sensor because it tells how much fuel and air you still have in the exhaust system. It's going to send all that information to the engine computer. From there the engine computer will figure out if you have rich lean fuel mixture, and it will do adjustments so you have a nice smooth running vehicle that has an economical engine and meets the emission standards as well. Now you have another sensor that's number 2 guys underneath, and I will explain about that in a second. And we'll explain what causes these codes. But before we do that, let me show you guys, this is the computer that we use for diagnostics. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. It's amazing too, due to the fact that you can work on almost any car you can think of. Check it out, it's amazing guys. Hyundai is right here. You can access every computer system in your Hyundai vehicle guys, if it's supported, so check it out. And this Sonata has up to 17 computers. You can read codes, delete codes, see live data for every system, which makes it super powerful too guys. Now let's explain what we need to do guys. We're going to go underneath that Hyundai Sonata now, so give me a second, we'll just dive underneath, so we can show you guys what to look for. Number 1 thing guys, find the second oxygen sensor. Usually it's located on the catalytic converter or right after the catalytic converter. It detects if it's doing its job. Check the connector, make sure it's plugged in. This connector, we have it unplugged so we can show you. Make sure the wire didn't come out of those brackets and it didn't actually touch the exhaust, because it can melt and that can cause these codes as well. If all that is good guys, most likely you have a bad sensor, and we have a special video that explains how to test downstream oxygen sensor. Let's explain which tool we'll be using. This one right there, that's a special socket guys. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. It goes on the sensor, and it's super easy to remove with it. Without it, it can cause damage to the sensor, and from there the catalytic converter, and you can spend quite a bit of money fixing it. So I recommend just get that sensor. It's not expensive at all, and it can make your life so much easier guys. There is no need to waste time and money on something that you can avoid. So this is that sensor right here. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.